The weekly code quiz. What are some common file types that are examples of raster images? JPEG or JPEG. PNG. What is a JPEG? JPEG or JPEG with an E stands for Joint Photographic Experts Group, the group responsible for creating this type of file. It was a method by which coders sought to share photographs on the web by keeping the file size in a manageable range. What are some advantages of using JPEG? Smaller than other raster image file formats. Small file size improves loading time and offers a better user experience. Compatible with many applications. What is the main disadvantage of using JPEG? Because of lossy compression, every time an image is compressed to reduce file size, its quality lowers. The compression algorithm finds pixels that are of similar color or value and groups them into tiles. When the new image is saved, the data is lost forever. What is PNG? PNG stands for Portable Network Graphics. This image type is optimized for logos, graphics, and graphs. What are the advantages of using PNG? Of higher quality than JPEG. PNGs reduce image size without losing quality, allow images to be saved with a transparency. Good for images that use fewer than 16 colors. What is the main disadvantage of PNG? They are larger than JPEGs and will take longer to load and slow your website. Name a file type that is an example of a vector image. SVG, or Scalable Vector Graphic. What is an SVG? SVG are vector files compatible with the web that support animation and interaction. What are the advantages of using SVG? Resolution independent as vectors. Will look crisp on all platforms. Lossless files that retain quality. What is the main disadvantage of using SVG? Larger in file size compared to other image formats. What is the most common image format online? JPEG or JPEG with an E. Presented by Designers Learn Code.